Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are making these trendy cream tart cakes. I know you have seen these things on Instagram and Facebook and Pinterest. They are everywhere. So I said, you know what? Let me try to make these things. What are these tarts all about? And I must say I love them and they are so easy to make. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make our cookie part. So we're going to add our butter into a bowl. I'm going to add in a little bit of sugar to kind of sweeten it up a little bit. We're going to mix this well, very well, until it's creamy and uniform. And then we're going to throw in that egg. I have all my ingredients room temperature, okay? So you don't want it to be like cold on this. Mix it up well, and then we're going to add in our extracts. I'm using these four sisters right here. I just like these together. I have some vanilla extract, almond extract, lemon extract, and coconut extract. My favorites. Yeah, but you can just use vanilla if you want to. You ain't gotta get all fancy smancy, but I really like those together like that. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it up really well, and then I'm gonna move on to my dry ingredients. Add my flour. I'm gonna add in some baking powder. I'm gonna add in a little bit of salt. I'm gonna whisk this around. My voice is a little scratchy today because it's allergy season. You guys know how I get every time there's okay. But yeah, now I'm gonna mix in my dry ingredients with my wet ingredients. Girl, turn that mixer down, honey. I had it like on full blast. It's like a flour cloud. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this up really well. And this is actually a revised version of my southern tea cake recipe because I really like how that cookie was kind of soft and firm. So yeah, that's why I'm using it to make this cream tart cake. It's perfect. Now I'm going to dump this out onto my little work surface here and kind of knead it because this dough is really sticky. So just go ahead and knead it with a little bit of flour until it is nice and smooth and soft, just like that. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to wrap this up in some saran wrap. I kind of pressed it flat. We're going to wrap it up, and then we're going to pop this into the fridge for about an hour to let this dough chill. This dough has to be super, super cold when you bake it, okay? When it comes out of the fridge, it'll be all firm and stuff. Go ahead and divide it up. You want to have 2 even size balls like that, okay? Now, when the dough has warmed up a little bit and you can actually roll it out, go ahead and just roll it to about 1/4 of an inch thick. I like to do this between 2 pieces of parchment paper. That way it doesn't stick to my rolling pin and stuff. But yeah, roll it out just like that and get your little template. I'm doing a letter M cake because my name is Monique. Okay. Letter M. You can do like a freehand, but I just printed off the letter M, on some printer paper and called it a day, honey. But yeah, you want to make sure that it is even because you want 2 of these. We're going to stack them on top, so make sure they are like perfectly even. Use a template, okay? Wonderful. Now there are my little M's just like that. And you can do any shape. You can do numbers, letters, shapes. Just, have fun with it. These things are just, whatever floats your boat type thing. Okay, so there's my little M's looking like W's on here. We're going to bake it at 350 for about 8 to 12 minutes. And while my cookies were baking, I went ahead and made some cheesecake filling. I have done this video for this recipe so many times. So yeah, I'm not going to get into the cheesecake filling, but I will put it on my blog, how to make this and everything. Go ahead and dump that in a piping bag. Now I decided to make this the next day, so I just popped it into the fridge. And now when it's time to make, bring your cream tart together. Oh, I hope that doesn't happen to you guys, but if it does, it's just a little secret I won't tell, okay? No one's gonna know. So don't freak out if that happens, but just be careful with it. Okay, now I'm gonna just pipe on my little dots. I don't know if I'm actually doing this the right way. This is just how I do it. I just pipe on the dots and then just stack on that last little layer just like that, and then continue piping on the dots. That's how I do it, okay? My sister, she's probably like, girl, you're doing it all wrong because she showed me a cake that she did, and it was so pretty. It was so gorgeous. I'm just not a decorator. Y'all know that. Okay, so once you have all those little dots piped on, now you can decorate. Use whatever you want. If you Google cream tart cakes, you will see that they just throw everything on these cakes, honey. They are busy, busy, busy. So I threw everything on my cake. You know what I'm saying? I put it on fruits. I got some berries. What is that? Oh, I put like little candy flowers and real flowers. Just make it look happy. Yeah, that's it. Make it look happy. That's how you decorate a cream tart cake. They always look so happy. Just do what you want to do. It's art, okay? Art. But that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Perfect for Mother's Day, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Later.